Hi, boys and girls. Welcome to Kidstir. For now, this is going to be our last Kidstir until July. But in July, we hope to be doing them in person. So watch for our summer schedule, and we'll have the times and the dates on there for you. But today, we're going to do Easter goodies. Our first one is going to be an Easter basket with jelly beans and Easter grass, and the Easter grass is going to be colored coconut, and you'll have jelly beans to put on the top. And then inside your basket, this is your basket right here. This is a cone basket, bowl rather, and we are going to put vanilla pudding in it. Then you're going to sprinkle your coconut on top, lay your jelly beans on top, and then your Twizzler is going to be your handle. So we are going to empty out our pudding into our basket, into our bowl here. Okay, that fills it about halfway up. Then we'll already color the coconut for you, because that's what your Easter grass will be, colored green coconut. And we'll already have that colored for you when you get it in your kit. And then you have some jelly beans in there. And then we will take your Twizzler and stick it down in there for your handle. And there is your Easter basket. Can they see it all right? Okay. There's your Easter basket. Your handle will have to sit there for just a minute. Now you are going to have some frosting in there in your kit for your other project, and if you want to put a little frosting on the sides of the handle to hold it up, you can do that. Okay? Alright. Now, our next one is going to be a little chick. And what you're going to get a waffle that you can put in the microwave and cook first, or in the toaster and cook first if you want to. Because this is what it'll look like. And you can toast it or you can eat it like this, however you want to. And you're going to make a chick out of it. What you will get is an orange slice. This is your orange slice. You will get 2 of them. Cut one in half, right down the middle. And you'll have some frosting in there. I got some grass on it, but put just a little bit of frosting on there to hold your little feet, whoops, in place. Take your other one. Now, do that. Like that. Then you will get 2 orange slices, and take your other one and cut about 1/4 of it at a point for his little nose. Put you some frosting on that, and that will be his beak. There that is. There's his beak. Then you will get 2 edible eyes. Put a little bit of frosting on that. Up here. See, it likes to stick to my finger. Then you will also get in your kit another Instead of an orange slice, you will get 2 lemon slices. What you will do with your lemon slices, you will get 2. You will take one and cut it in half, like this, and that will be your wings. Then the other one, you will cut in half and then cut in little strips. So you have its little cone up here at the top. Let me get this up here. I use something else until we can get. So that is what your little chick will look like. And then whenever you want to, you can try it out and see if you like what it tastes like. But we hope you enjoy this Easter craft. And please, please watch out for our summer calendar, because we've got a lot of terrific events planned for you this summer. Thanks for your participation for Kidstir, and we'll see you this summer.